Street speed in lane 1, and here in the left lane, Demonology over there on the right-hand side. Yeah, real little on the side window there. Try to get some of this information on the car. Maybe you can look some of these characters up. 1035, 1005, 140, and 130. Got the right idea with the D stage. You got to get out on it. Get out on it. You got half done there.
My boy Steph, oh, you wait till I show this to your girl. Now you gonna try to knock the hell out of me with the stick. Look at it.
Your own jack handle.
Yeah, with my own jack handle.
Demon, baby. Yo, shout out to Demonology. He really killed today. He really represented. He had people telling him his car's modded. That's how fast he was running. He was running that fast.
Hey, I was running so fast I had to get into somebody else's car and do the same thing.
When you coming up my way?
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.